Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today we're doing a plan with me in my Live Rich planner. I am so in love with this planner because it really helps me visually plan out my week, and so far so good in terms of productivity. I can change around things throughout the day, but at least I know what I need to get accomplished before the day is over. First and foremost, I like to start off by dating my planner. And I just use leftover date dots from my Planner Kate Daily Duo kits, but you can literally use just about any date dots you might have, or you can just write in the dates if that works for you also. And before I go any further in terms of my decorating and planning out the week, I just wanted to turn back to my personal planner so you could see how I set that up for this week. So I've planned out my breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then started my grocery list. I do have some more things to add, but I just wanted to give an idea of how I'm setting that up. I got a lot of positive feedback in terms of highlighting the items on my shopping list using the highlighters to color code the stores. I also suggested that you could use the highlighters to select the different types of food. So for instance, all dairy products one color, all of your meats another color, vegetables another color, that kind of thing. I also create a shopping wish list over here, and that's basically non-food items that I'd like to purchase throughout the week or carry over to future weeks. Also, we have habits and goals tracking. I'm really trying to get better at some things in my life, and so I keep creating this. I haven't been checking it off, but hopefully this week I will start with that. And then I also wrote in some housework that I need to get completed, my AM and PM routine, just trying to figure out what all I want to accomplish every morning and evening. And then also my focus for this week is basically catching up on our household budget. So I need to close out actually June and July. And then I also need to prepare myself for August. And I really do need to get on top of that this week. I also created new sections down here for fitness and me time. So I do plan to try to get 3 things done in both of these categories this week. And then this week's wins, I will fill that in at the end of the week just to show what all I was able to accomplish, or my biggest accomplishment for the week. Now, I also want to flip back to the prior week just so you get an idea of my planning style before I jump into decorating. So for this prior week, my daughter had a surgical procedure, so I really didn't get a lot of time to focus in on my personal planning. It was all about prepping for her procedure. Thankfully, everything went well. So this week, I'm a little more organized. This was my weekly spread for last week, and I will be posting a video to show how I put that together. But as you can see, there was a lot going on, and I just wanted it to look pretty because it was a very high stress week or high anxiety week with everything we had. But I did get a lot. Moving into this week, we are going to be doing our weekly spread, and this week I'm going to do something a little bit different because I'm pulling in a lot of remnant stickers from prior kits or projects and things like that, just to kind of use them up and to close out the month with sort of a patriotic theme, but also kind of summerish at the same time. So you'll see reds and blues in this week's theme. Before I get started, the first thing I like to do is block off my work hours. My work hours are from 10 to 6 every day. And then I'm going to put in some washi just to show the length of time for each of those days. Now, the next thing I want to do is actually put down my appointments. So I'm going to be using the Happy Planner appointment sticker book. We're not quite at fall yet. I feel like this is starting to get there, so I think this quote works too. Okay, so I think I'm actually going to pull up this sticker for laundry day and do my laundry on Wednesday, because I will be home that day. And that's my grocery shopping day. Let me go ahead and write in Now that I have my basics in place for the week, I'm going to fill in everything else. One of the things I know I want to do on Saturday is actually go bike riding. I haven't done that in a while and it should be fun. So I'm going to block off some time in my afternoon to get that done. Okay, so we are finishing up this spread. I want to just add a couple more things to round it out for the week. Last but not least, I just want to find something that I can put across the top here. I feel like that section is a little bare. I need something for that last section, and I think that will be it. I'm going to stop there. I may have to add a couple little small things to finish, but that is pretty much my planning episode for today. I hope you were inspired by this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!